Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again, Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one. Man, that's it. Alright, so I want to say a special big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Guyana, because I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video has been recorded within the country that is known as Guyana. This video is about a situation where it is said that a construction worker had been accused of kicking a dog off a building. Now, I am not sure if the construction worker had been accused of kicking the dog off the roof of the building or out of the building, but the information that I got is that the construction worker had been accused of kicking the dog off the building, you see me? And the police within the country of Guyana got involved in the whole situation, and the accused ended up at a police station within the country of Guyana after this video had been recorded, you see me? So what I'm going to do, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself and so on. And please bear in mind that in this video you're going to hear persons yelling and shouting and all these things, you see me? I say. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me.
When the dog reached the end there, pick up a big one and tell the dog, and the dog towards the dog, one knocked the dog picked up. No, you got the punch now. You was a very liar. Y'all have this conversation going on. Y'all have this conversation going on.
Nothing not gonna solve the yelling.
This is where the cruelty occurred. The cruelty occurred.
Y'all stop throwing a line. I don't listen. I don't like liars.
Well, if you keep the dog animal cruelty for real, people love the animal and love animals over.
Don't like. Come out here. Come out here. No. No. You don't get out your bullshit.
Nah, get no word back again.
Listen to me. If somebody come and make an allegation, the police have the right to investigate. Listen to me carefully. One thing I do not tolerate is indiscipline. Right? I call this young man to speak to him, and y'all still even in our money. I kindly asking y'all to desist from the allocate of the I changed from 0 to 100 just so. So you have to continue.
This looks seriousskilla, people. You know what I mean? The people who love the animal. Don't hurt them animal and hurt any animal make some people sick. I tell you that because of a joking, and you're not supposed to do that.
When the dog is out of them, we pick up a wood and tell them. And that will make the dog fall off. Oh, he's tired. And then we pick up a wood. Pick up a wood and tell the dog.
Yeah, what?
Alright, alright. No. Let him speak to him. You don't tell him. Just let him speak to him. Look, that's not very
Notice how the police are trying to deal the situation calm.
Alright. At this time, I'm trying to ask you to accompany me.
Respect a police when you see them do something like that. That's some police, you know. Tell your people.
I want to keep it there if you find out who I am. No, man, before we move in, a small habit to outside.
I'll just tell you.
Alright, this man is a minor, right? This man is a minor, my band, right?
Listen to me.
Let me start.
Ask me to accompany me.
The man got called his parents. They got called his parents, man. You're talking to them, you're probably the chance to show you that you're wrong. People talk, we know too. Let we know. With this man on the edge, let the man call his parents. They can't carry this man no.
I can't carry you.
Yeah, you have to carry, right? You have to carry. They say can't carry.
No, leave it to me. Alright. Leave it to me.
And they should be. Then he, what that now take the people that we have to teach. Huh? No, we don't want a picture of you too, just so you can get to see what. Get information from you. What they say? I got exit from you. What they get this young lady? It's a video we. I got video. No, we don't have you met me, you can't tell me something. No, you can't tell me. No, there's a stop. No, there's a stop. That's an assault. And that's an assault. Right now. You can't get a stop. You just assault. You get a statement, already statement. You get a statement, when we go down to the station, right? When we go down to the station, you get a statement, I can read my nose. I can read. And that's not my brother, and that's the way we live. I'll be the 14, yeah? I'll be my boy.
Construction workers. Some of them, construction workers, police officers. Let me tell you something, people. You see, you have some people, some persons, I should say, right? There's people, I can't say people's thing, but
all the police are doing investigators, no problem.
Good morning, Facebook friends. We're here on a cruelty report. We also have the owners at the fruit stand that also witnessed this cruelty. It was not only our volunteer, and they're willing to come forward. Also, a child witnessed this cruelty here today. He is so devastated that he went home, right? Is this what we want our children to see? I'm asking you, if we cannot get anywhere or any justice for what has happened here today, that we must come and protest.
People, let me tell you something, you see? And this is the thing now, my people. See what I say? You see, animal cruelty, it's not a good thing. It's a no-no. It nothing happen. And you see, the thing about it is, my people, you have some persons, you see, I'm not going to say some people, because you have a lot of people who will never hit or hurt any animal, unless it's self-defense in some cases, you understand me? See, but, and I really have a lot of people who love dogs and love cats, but you have some persons who will just see an animal and just throw an object at the animal for no reason, none at all, and think it is funny. You see me I say, and this is something where me know, because as a little youth I grew up, this is something where me see with my own two eyes. See, this is something where me say, no Jamaicans do. You understand? And me, dancehall skilla, me learn, say, you can't really and truly do certain things to other people's animals, or animals overall, and make people, some people know. See me? Because everybody may say, you know, some people, because some people will approach you and say, hey, that's wrong. Some people will even go as far as call the police if they realize, say, you're being cruel to an animal in any farm. You see it? So, when it comes down to this situation, my people, if that man really and truly kicked the dog, whether the dog had been kicked off the roof or out of the building or whatsoever, see? It's messed up. And that is if. See me? That's if. But anyways, me just make you know what I go on my people. So me really and truly post this video because you know, this video has been brought to my attention by someone. I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Guyana. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and every one. Until next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know where you are.